rather than newly produced units. As the supply of T-90As dwindles, projections suggest that actual production of new T-90Ms this year will not exceed 28 units. The challenges facing Russian tank production extend far beyond mere numbers. Numerous problems hamper Russia's ability to produce new tanks and infantry fighting vehicles, or even to effectively refurbish older models. One of the main problems is the shortage of vital components. The situation has become so dire that stocks of components originally intended for use in 2025 have already been exhausted. Moreover, international sanctions have cut Russia's access to vital European-made equipment, including fuel heaters for diesel engines, high-voltage electrical systems, and infrared thermal imaging technology essential for target identification. The impact of these shortages is compounded by Russia's inability to locally produce high-quality substitutes for these components. While Chinese alternatives are sometimes available, they often fail to meet the quality standards of their Western counterparts. The shortage extends to key components such as high-quality ball bearings, further limiting Russia's ability to maintain and upgrade its armored fleet. Ferroalloy production, vital for the production of high-quality steel used in armored vehicles, has actually declined over the past 2 years. This decline comes at a time when demand for such materials should be at its peak and highlights structural weaknesses in Russia's industrial base. The reasons for this decline include sanctions-related difficulties in obtaining raw materials, energy supply problems, and the general economic difficulty of sustaining a war economy. The production processes themselves are largely obsolete. Much of the welding in Russian arms factories is still done by hand, a labor-intensive process that stands in stark contrast to the automated production lines of Western arms manufacturers. Despite claims that factories operate 24/7 in 3 shifts, these facilities struggle to find enough labor. This labor shortage is exacerbated by a reliance on aging machine tools, many of which were imported years ago from Germany and Sweden, and are now difficult to maintain due to a lack of spare parts and technical support. The collapse of the Soviet Union had far-reaching consequences for Russia's military-industrial complex. The integrated supply